All right, language explorers. Let's look at this Friday's Friday idiom. So a tall order. Tall order. Yeah. Asking too much. Asking too much. Yeah, you ask too much. Yeah, look at this. It's too much to handle. Too much to handle. Too much. Yeah. It is a tall order. A lot to ask for. A lot to ask for. And it might not be able to be done. Difficult to do. Yeah, it is a tall order. I will see what I can do. Yeah, I will see what I can do. He asked a tall order from us, but we think we can manage. Yeah, it is a tall order, but we will figure out a way. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. How cool is that? Yeah. That is a tall order, but I'll try. Yeah. I have got plans to make a lot of videos. It is a bit of a tall order, but I will do it. Yeah, even if it is one video at a time. Yeah, how cool is that? One video at a time. How cool is that? He always asks a tall order. He always asks for a lot. He sometimes asks for too much. It's a tall order. Way too much to handle. Too much to sort out. It's just how? Oh, a tall order. How cool is that? What you want is a tall order, but I'll see what I can do. You're asking for a tall order. This is a lot. It'll take some time to organize, but I can get it done. Yeah, it's a lot to ask for, but I can get it done. How cool is that? Yeah. Yeah, how cool is that, language explorers? Yeah, so a tall order. Yeah. So can you use a tall order in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel. Yeah, more videos to come, more lessons. Yeah, more lessons to come. How cool is that? And you can find me English with Adrian on YouTube, Facebook and Telegram. And by searching Adrian Nanchev on Udemy. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.